Good morning, Tuttu. How are you?
Good morning. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. See, today we are wearing pink. I am complimenting you with my pink.
Yes, my ears, my toes, and my eyes are pink.
I just have a t-shirt which is pink, okay? So,
Yes.
okay, so let's move on. You know what I'm going to show you today?
What?
So, I'm going to do alphabets with you which are related with our planet. So, all the alphabets with blue planet. And can you see northern lights on the photo?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start. So this ABCD tells you all about the blue planet Earth we have. So the A stands here for amber. Amber is a yellow, red, white, and golden amber formed from resin olden. तो पुराने जमाने में जब बहुत ज्यादा रॉक्स फॉर्म होते थे और ग्लू निकलता था पेड़ से, उस जमाने के टाइम पे किसी एक ग्लू पे एक मधुमक्खी चिपक गई और वो सील हो गई. सो यू कैन सी दैट देयर इज बी ट्रैप्ड इनसाइड दिस, and this is all ancient, thousands of year old bee is inside it. So this A is for amber. Okay, let's move on. We have B. B is for blue,
Uh,
blue planet. So Earth is a blue planet.
Blue
And
planet.
now this girl is sitting inside the aeroplane and she's watching the Earth. And what you watch when you are on the top of the clouds? You watch the blue planet
The
down.
Earth.
Yes, and Earth is blue. Why Earth is blue too?
Because 70% of our Earth is blue because of the water.
Oh, wow, you are smart boy. Okay,
Yes.
now the C is for the coral
Coral
reef.
reef.
Yes. And these are the natural structures on earth, largest natural structures. आपको पता है आसमान से कोरल रीफ दिखता है एरोप्लेन से. एंड इट इज नेचुरल स्ट्रक्चर जो प्लांट होते हुए पानी के अंदर होते हुए भी हमको एरोप्लेन से दिखता है. सो हैव यू सीन कोरल रीफ?
Yes.
Okay, and where we can go and see coral reef?
In the ocean.
And million of tiny jellyfish like animals called coral polyps create coral reef. Okay, so we move on and we have D for,
Desert.
okay, can you read rain rain gone away?
Okay. Rain gone away, but some plants found ways to stay. In the desert dry and hot, some animals also choose that spot.
Can you name one desert animal?
Camel.
And I can see your friend there, rabbit. Can you see your friend rabbit there on the page?
Yes.
Just near the yellow cactus.
Yes, I can see it.
And you can spot a lemur as well or a cat just below the big green cacti. So in desert few animals live, right?
Yeah.
E for earthquake. Have you seen earthquake?
Yes. I have
So
seen
earth,
a.
yes please.
Yeah. No. You can continue.
So this is E for earthquake. When there is something going inside the core of a earth, earth shakes. And when earth shakes, we all feel that. And F is for fossils. Have you seen ever seen fossils?
Yeah. I've seen them in the museum.
Which museum?
In Australia, when I came, I saw museums.
Okay, now we have G for glaciers. And you know what are glaciers?
Yes,
फ्रोजन
they
रिवर,
are.
जो रिवर जम जाती है और स्नो बन जाती है, दे आर कॉल्ड ग्लेशियर्स. ओके, देन एच. एच इज ह्यूरिकेन. ह्यूरिकेन देखा है कभी? बहुत जोर जोर से आंधी तूफान आता है. H is for hurricanes. Storms are brewing, winds are swirling. Ocean water warms the air. Building stronger till it's hurling straight for land. Oh, what a scare. देखो, बहुत जोर से पानी आता है, बहुत जोर से हवा चलती है. इसका तो अम्ब्रेला ही उड़ गया. ओके, आई फॉर इग्निशियस रॉक. ये पुराने जमाने में जब डायनासोर हुआ करते थे ना, तब के टाइम के रॉक्स की बात कर रहा है ये.
Oh,
J is for Jurassic. Can you see the volcano at the back?
yes, it's exploding.
Yes, volcanoes exploding. बहुत जोर से लावा निकल रहा है इसमें से.
Yeah.
K is for karst. Karst is land with a surprise. Streams beneath and caves inside. Water eats away at rock. Then hollow ground is what we got. सो कार्स्ट इज जमीन के अंदर जब केव बन जाती है और उसमें से पानी निकलता है, दैट इज फॉर कॉल्ड कास्ट. L is for landforms. In our planet, we have different landforms, mountains, plateaus. And what does M stand for, Tuttu?
M stands for moon.
Moon. And then big moon, crescent moon. N is for northern lights. Northern lights.
Netherlands are very beautiful.
Yes, northern lights are very beautiful, and you need to go to Norway, Finland to see these northern lights.
Yeah.
O is for
O is for oil.
oil, yes. And P is for plate
Let me see.
tectonics. All together, then part the Earth's land change shape, drifting slow is fit and starts the plate remark landscapes. So अर्थ के अंदर जो हमारी प्लेट्स होती हैं अर्थ की, वो मूव करती हैं ऐसे ऐसे. तो वो प्लेट को प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स कहते हैं, उस मूवमेंट्स को. So that's quite a hi-fi term. It's a theory. Okay. And
Yes.
Q is for quicksand. क्विकसैंड देखा कैसे काम कर रहा है क्विकसैंड में?
Yeah. quicksand को हिंदी में टल बोलते हैं.
यस, आप यहाँ पे फंस जाओगे. देखो इसका जूता अंदर चला गया, एक जूता पहना है, एक जूता अंदर चला गया. दलदल में आप फंस जाओ तो आप अंदर नीचे ही गिरते जाते हो, राइट?
Yes.
If you ever find yourself trapped in a quicksand, move as little as possible. ज्यादा हिलोगे तो नीचे चले जाओगे. एकदम still हो जाओ. And don't let anyone try to pull you out. It is hard to pull someone out of quicksand. It is to lift a car. The opposing force would split you in half. The composing force would split you in half. All you have to do is to escape quicksand is slowly move your legs around. This will bring water to the bottom and loosen the sand's grip around your legs. Then lie back and float slowly, moving your way to solid land. So it's very difficult. Quicksand se bach ke rehna. R is for rainforest.
Oh, we recently learned about rainforests.
Yes, and that's why you are able to relate to it. S is for sun, the bright sun. And T is for tides. There are high tides and low tides. And then we have U. U is for upper mantle. Upper mantle means the top layer of the earth, right?
Yep.
And then V for
V for valley.
no. Okay, good. V for valley.
Oh,
And then
volcano.
bush. We have volcanoes. And W is for water cycle. Water goes up, gets water, rain comes down, again water goes up, evaporation happens, and then water comes down. So this is a cycle which goes on and on. Okay, now this is xylem. You know xylem? Xylem and
No.
phloem are two things in the plant. Xylem is a pathway that gives water from the ground to the plant. ठीक है? And
Yes.
Y is for Yellowstone's Old Faithful. What's this?
Yellowstone is a place.
Yes, Yellowstone is a place. Here you can see the water coming up, underground water is coming up at Yellowstone. And Z is for zones. We have climate zones, we have different zones across the world. Rain or snow or warm may be, daily weather we can see, record the weather year to year, climates and their zones appear. So, this was our entire book on alphabets. Any question to do? And we have
No.
covered a lot of things from the science part of it. So there is something science also related to it. The entire content is related with everything on this earth related to Blue Planet. So thank you Tutu for coming here.
Thank
So
you. Bye.
hope you enjoyed the session. Bye.
Yes, I enjoyed it.
Bye. Take care.